Oh, crap. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's drizzling. Oh, let me try to do this quick. Wait, there you go. No! So I'm gonna try not to hit the car right next to me. Let's see how that works out. You know what, guys? This is uncomfortable. I'm gonna move somewhere else. I can't do this. Ah, so many rocks. I hate rocks. Rocks are annoying. I hate rocks. I didn't even pop. Crap. Stay right there. Got this. What are you doing up there? Doesn't make sense. Let me show you what you're on. See that? You guys are crazy. Let's keep on going. Alright, that's what I'm gonna try to do. Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. You know what? Change of thought. I'm gonna ollie the 3 stair. That right there. I almost rolled my ankle. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna go to a different location and ollie a different set of stairs. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm here and I'm gonna try not to hit any of those cars. Good luck. Almost had that. That was boss, I got it. I'm really tired.
Go make some noise with that thing somewhere else.
Alright.
Thank you.
No problem. Alright guys, we have to go somewhere else. Cause things like that happen. Alright guys, since there is no more light, I'm gonna go inside. Alright guys, I'm at the gym. You know what this means? Water. You guys thought I was gonna work out, but no. I mean, I do work out, but I just don't like to work out after I skate because I'm like exhausted. I'm like, I just burped. All right, so we're gonna drink some water. Let's go. Hello, water fountain. How are you doing today? Oh my gosh, it's empty. All right, let's see if there's anything in here. Wow. There's nothing. Well, that was good, I guess. Refreshing. Thanks a lot, Pure Life. For nothing. Skating, skating, skating. 1, 2, 3. Skating, water. Skating, water. Skating, water. I said skating, I said water. Why not do skating, water? So let's skate some water. Guys, this is not because Pure Nestle, that's not because they paid me, it's because I'm just doing this for fun. and for YouTube, and for the sake of doing nothing every day. Alright, I'm gonna try to do an ollie. I'm gonna try to do an ollie on the Nestle bottle with me on the skateboard with the Nestle bottle. A Nestle bottle heel flip. By the way guys, if I landed, that's because I'm just like in some serious luck because I can't do heel flips anymore, or kick flips anymore, or varials anymore. And if I do it with this, that'll be it. Let's go. It doesn't officially count until you actually land it with the bottle. I don't even know if I popped, so. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. I'm out. No. 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 Boom! Got it. Always be closure. No.